This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, June 18th. Stock index futures are trading mostly higher today. This after yesterday, we did see the S&P and the NASDAQ both advancing to new record highs. Also, we did have retail sales in May increasing only 0.1% when up 0.3% was expected. And industrial production in May showing a better than expected increase at up 0.9% when up 0.3% was anticipated. So the fundamentals still appear to be bullish on balance across the board for the major stock index futures, especially the S&P and the NASDAQ. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index was higher in the overnight trade, but giving back a lot of the gains in light of the weak retail sales report. Recent strength in the dollar is due mainly to a flight to quality influence in light of the political turmoil in Europe, especially in France. Also, we have the Japanese yen trading lower despite hawkish comments from the Bank of Japan governor when he told the Japanese parliament that the central bank could raise interest rates again at the July meeting. And in the interest rate futures markets, somewhat lower prices in the overnight trade, but a quick rebound with the retail sales coming in on the weaker side. Still seeing hawkish comments from Federal Reserve officials. In fact, just yesterday we had Patrick Harker of the Fed indicating, in his opinion, there would be only one rate cut this year. However, financial futures markets are predicting 2 cuts, while central bank officials indicating for the most part only 1 rate cut, some officials indicating no rate cuts. So I'm going to have to go with the Fed cutting 2 times this year, with the first rate cut likely at the September 18th meeting. Still looks like futures will probably trade higher longer term, especially for the 30-year Treasury bond futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.